Here's all. I'm home.
Having cough, flu and asthma or any lungs-related illness, it's time to take Tycod. Tycod is made of tiger meal mushroom and Cordyceps militaris. These two precious medicinal herbs contains rich sustains our lungs needed. They will make our lungs stronger and healthier and eventually defeat lungs-related illness and disease. Go get Tycod today, available at your local pharmacy stores.